Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into Smartsheets, a powerful tool for project management, collaboration, and productivity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to navigate Smartsheet and use it effectively for organizing your work. If you don't already have a Smartsheet account, it's very easy to open up one. Head over onto smartsheets.com, and that would be the website that you're going to use to create your account and sign up for free. You can simply search for it on your browser by typing Smartsheet and you'd be able to see it right on top. Once you're on the landing page, you can click on Try Smartsheet for free and that will provide you with a pop-up dialog box where you can enter an email address and proceed to the next step. Next up, Smartsheet is going to provide you with a verification email. So hop onto your email address and proceed to verify to be able to pass through to your dashboard. So this would be the verification email that you would be receiving. You can click on confirm email. And with that, you would have your account verified. And next step would be to create your password. Once you've entered your password, you can go ahead and confirm that you agree to the user terms by clicking on the box and click next to proceed to your dashboard. Following this, you'll be facing a couple of prompts to personalize your account. First up would be to give your project a name. For this demonstration, we're going to be working on a training project and we would like to have a Gantt chart preview. On the next step, you have the option to input your tasks, or else if you'd like to work on these things once you're in the dashboard, you can click skip step. Same goes with the subtasks. And finally, you can click on build project. And there you have it. This is going to be your working space within Smartsheet. As you can see, we had already specified for a Gantt chart to be produced alongside our project, and it has already been integrated within your working board. So having said that, let's proceed to navigate the remaining part of the dashboard. All right, let's start with your navigation tools. As you can see on the left side of your screen, you have your navigation panel, and here are the navigation tools that you're going to need to mostly operate within Smartsheet. First up is the home page, and on this, you would generally have a summary of all the details within your Smartsheets, such as teams and also the projects that you're working on. Currently, since this is a new account, you wouldn't see much in this page. Next up is going to be notifications, and this is where you're going to access all the notifications that you're receiving within your work progress. Next is your search icon. Here you would be able to enter any keyword and search for a specific target within your project. Following that is your browse and recent activities. At the bottom, you have accounts tab from where you can make specific adjustments and settings. And also, if you would like to make upgrade for your plan, you can do so by coming to this tab. Finally, we have the launcher tab. Within this tab, you have the work apps, and this is a feature that allows you to integrate Smartsheet with different apps that you're currently working with, which makes communication very easy and seamless. Having said that, let's try to create a project. To start a new project, you can click on Home, and as you can see on the top side of your screen, you have an option to start a new project or a program or a process. By clicking this option, first up is a list of templates that you can use. Next, you have the option to start from scratch, and this provides you with a flexibility to be able to create the project specifically tailored to your work progress. If you'd like to also import a file that you had been already working on, perhaps from Excel or Google Sheets, you can click on import and that will provide you with a list of different sources. You can link your Smartsheet document and import that specific project that you have in mind. For this demonstration, we're going to select the first option that we have and work with projects. Once you've selected the preferred template, you'd be able to see the different features within that template and verify whether they're going to work with your project or not. Once you've confirmed, you can click on Create from Template, and that's it. Smartsheet will have this template propagated, and a project template will be uploaded onto your dashboard. Now, keep in mind, this is a direct projection of the template, so you are going to have to make adjustments to the detail information within this template to have it portray the data that you have for your project. Another important section of your dashboard is found right at the top side of your screen. Here you'd be able to see the name of the project. By clicking on it, you would also be able to rename your project according to your specifications. Once you're done with that, by navigating right underneath it, you would have different tools by which you can work through your project and adjust different features. The first one would be adjustment of views. By clicking on this icon here, a drop-down menu is provided to you to select from different views. If you would perhaps want to view your project through a Gantt view, grid view, card view, or calendar view, it would be automatically populated onto your display. There you have it. Keep in mind, since we have not entered any data within this project, as you go through your project and populate it more, you would have a long list of tasks within your Gantt chart. Last but not least, on the right side of your display, you have additional features, such as conversations to facilitate communication amongst the team members within that specific project, and also an attachments option. By using this feature, you are able to attach different files from other sources or also links that are usable for this project. Next up would be proofs, brand holders, requesting updates, and so much more. These items on the right side are ideal for communication and to facilitate interaction within that team. Last but not least, if you'd like to connect another workspace to your Smartsheet, you can click on the last option here. You can either connect it to Jira or even Salesforce. Next up, let's dive into the project that we have at hand here and adjust it according to a project that we have in mind. The first column is designated to attachments and any conversations that are attached with that specific task or project. Next up is the name of that project and then a description following that. These columns are going to vary according to the templates, and that is why we recommend adjusting each column and every detail of the template to resonate with the project requirements. While working on a project, you will need to invite people or your teammates to collaborate within this project. To do this, you can click on Share on the right top side of your screen. The first one is going to allow you to send an invitation for your workspace. After you click that, a dialog box is going to be initiated where you can enter an email address of that specific person and specify their access tag, for instance, if they're a communicator, viewer, editor only, by selecting the correct one. Once you've entered the email address, you can click on Share and an email is going to be sent to that person, and now it's time for them to confirm. So that's pretty much it on how you can start a project and work within Smartsheets and also facilitate your collaboration within the team. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.